Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Zakaria. I am a student. I am pursuing 7th standard at Sunna English Medium School at Sindgi in Karnataka. Today I am talking about the sun. It is more difficult to conceive of the sun's orbit because we are so used seeing our solar system organized around it. To understand the verse from the Quran, the position of the sun in our galaxy has most been considered, and we must therefore call on modern scientific ideas. Our galaxy includes a very large number of star space so as to form that is denser at the center than at the rim. The sun occupies a position in which it is far removed from the center of it is. The galaxy revolves on its own axis in which it is far removed in it, which is with the result that the sun revolves around the same center in a circular orbit. Shapley estimated the distance between the sun of our galaxy at 10 km per second. Example in mils. Kirka the figure 2 followed by 17 zeros. To complete one revolution, the sun and galaxy take roughly 250 million years. The sun travels at roughly 150 miles per second. The above is the orbital movement that was already referred to by the Quran 14 centuries ago. I conclude my speech thanking you for listening patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.